Dude, Nick. What? I had to redeem a code. I didn't want to fiddle.
Hey, what's up?
Let's roll. This is the better one. This is when we fixed it.
There's only one. No, stay on him. Stay.
Dude, we lost the wheel.
Hey, Nick. Were you close to me?
Yes. I'm
The-
with these other guys. Oh, you can't. Yeah, I got killed. Me and this guy got responded on a cliff. Oh yeah, you have to go. There's teleporter. You have to go through the teleporter. Where is it though? It's not on there. It's up. There's Sunward. I'm coming over.
Yeah, I know you are.
Oh, wow. I'm gonna lose you.
Yeah. Wait, are you like Luke Skyward team?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Where am I? I can't get down.
Well, there's a red flashing light now. Like when the car's on fire, there's a red flashing light.
What is this Warhawk supposed to be for?
How'd you get up
You
there?
have no move and no spinal. Blow that one up.
We responded up
The
here.
parent.
No, go that way. Go that way. You know, behind the.
Blow that up though.
What?
Blow that warthog up so it respawns.
Okay.
The other way. Okay, go over here.
Yeah, go like around the place. They said that they were on the other side of the map.
Lucas, you got,
Yeah.
Nobody's over there.
Nope.
No, please don't want to spawn up there again.
Yes, go.
Dang it.
Oh, you.
Oof.
How do I get out of the car?
No!
Double. Aw, man.
Just ran the water.
Oh, I thought that was someone else.
Dude,
Now that's how the pros do.
Nick, is John online?
John, you gotta get off.
Oh, sweet. There's another guy for purple team.
Dude, Lucas, look where I am. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
This is like a laggy. We're like responding not in that island. We're actually
Yeah, you have to
responding.
go through the teleporters.
There's no teleporters for Lucas, there's no teleporters for Austin, and the teleporters near me.
There's a
What?
teleporter for me.
No teleporter. Here's I want to stay in here. It's kind of cool.
Hey, wait, no. The teddy bear. What happened to the bridge that we made?
The breed?
Yeah, the bridge that we made. You know, for the Warhawk.
I don't know.
Did it fall in the water? Oh, it fell in the water.
How can it fall in the water?
I don't know because apparently it's not there.
They were playing a Fortnite.
Oh crap.
I made the map. I don't know.
Dude, Lucas, I can't go into the keep on spawning on this.
I made it. And it's like a warthog map.
Dude, oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, oh, look.
It's just a warthog map.
Well, not like though. I do not want to kill myself. I have all my emo back.
Dude, Lucas, I'm gonna make this.
No, dude, I have really low life. Don't kill me, man. That.
I want
Yeah.
to shoot a press the wrong button.
No,
you drive it? I need a jetpack so bad. Oh, you have someone on the island now.
Yeah, but what? No, look over the hangar. I'm kind of trapped on this rock.
I knew that one.
That's me.
Where is everyone?
I don't know.
Woo! Woo! Get in the thing! Get in the thing!
Oh,
Fine, you drive. Ow! Don't do that. Don't do that. You should have not hit me. You see, I spawned all the way at the Forge map.
Oh, wait, up. Okay.
The teleport's not even here.
it's supposed to be.
Oh,
Look
it isn't.
what you do up here.
What the?
I'm just the upload. But I'm
You can jump off like me.
There it goes. I'm gonna get off of there.
Oh my gosh, you only equipped me with one grenade.
Suicide.
Man, this sucks.
Oh, what?
I have 2.
You're active. You've left? What?
Betrayal.
Where are the rest of you guys?
Okay. I have to
Me.
go.
Me and this.
I have to go. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Whoa, what happened?
Well, you lost. Well, now it's a goal to just lost players. Or means Level Sky are still on the island.
Oh my gosh, everyone's leaving. Everyone's leaving now. No. Oh my gosh. Everyone is leaving. Everyone is leaving except for Luke Skywalker 11, which is freaking faithful with the Force.
I haven't left.
I'm gonna make the record for best mountain climber.
Yes, I'm on Stranded Island.
1 minute remaining.
Well, thank God. Well, it's remained.
No.
Suicide.
Dang it.
I'm playing a world's best spider because I flew off a cliff and off a rock and I still landed straight on all 4.
Wow.
I'm getting
30
lucky.
seconds remaining.
30
I'm
seconds.
not going upside down.
What? Where the frick am I? Okay, what the? Oh my gosh. You can make it, bro. Who's flying with the jetpack?
My brother, I think.
10 seconds remaining. Game over.
Yay, I won.
Yeah. Lucas' team got killed. I'm just jumping off cliff. It was actually a free. It was actually Austin was like one. Where's that one guy?
You know what? Hold on one second.
Okay.
Who's up for Elite Slayer?
I will.
Okay.
What? I'll play that.
Oh my gosh, am I... Okay, the teddy bear is officially no more. He has left.
Slayer.
Let's call this a little makeup for what happened, okay?
First strike. Gain the lead.
Oh, seriously? Who's leaving now?
Game over.
Oh. Come on. Well, that was easy. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and, yeah, well, I will see you later. Bye-bye.